Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos with the updated app and locating the shaky clip you want to fix. Once done, tap the video to load playback, then press Edit to enter the editor tools. Make sure the clip is fully loaded and playable. This prevents export errors. You'll see Trim Handles and the Enhance option. You're ready to apply stabilization next. Keep the clip's original resolution in mind so you can compare results after stabilization is applied. You now locate the Stabilize or Motion tool inside Adjust or More. Google Photos runs an automatic correction algorithm when you tap it. Let the app analyze the frames. This can take several seconds for long videos. Once the stabilization preview appears, scrub through the timeline to inspect corners and fast pans. If edges crop excessively, trim the start or end to remove the worst motion. Remember, stabilization crops and may reduce field of view, so compare before and after. You finish by saving a copy so the original remains untouched, then export the stabilized version. If saving fails, make sure you have sufficient free storage, restart the app, and try again. If stabilization still looks poor, trim to remove complex pans or rerun stabilization after a small crop. Google Photos struggles with extreme motion. For critical projects, export the clip and use desktop stabilization in specialized software.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.